So guys, welcome to our channel. Myself Kundan Bharadwaj, and in this video I will talk about CPUs. If you build a PC or you buy a PC or you buy a laptop, the major component you have to decide is a CPU. Your performance depends on your CPU. So, before buying a processor or a CPU, either it can be from Ryzen or Intel, do these things. So, the first thing is check the number of cores in your device. So, these are generally the parts in which your processor is divided. So, here you can see this is a quad core processor. So, it is divided in 4 cores. Many people think that core i3 means 3 cores. No, it is wrong. The first thing is the cores of the CPU are always in even number, and core i3, core i5, core i7, core i9 are the names given by the Intel company to their CPUs. They don't refer to the cores present in your CPU. So the next thing is the threading. It is not threading your eyebrows. It is a virtual version of a CPU core. Originally, it is a program by which a virtual CPU can be made. It is not a physical CPU core in your processor. It is a virtual CPU core. If you want to learn more about these things, then you can navigate to our channel. You will get the content there. So it is disabled in most most of the cases, but if you want to enable it, you have to do a process which is slightly complicated. And if you want to watch the video on that topic, please post a comment. I will definitely make a video on that topic. So the next thing is clock frequency. So the measure of number of cycles of your CPU executes per second is your clock frequency. It is generally the speed of your CPU. So the next thing is cache. It is not the money. It is a memory present in our CPU. Generally, it is used to store small pieces of data. For example, you use Adobe Photoshop twice an hour, and you want to open it very quickly. So the cache memory will store it, and next time if you want to open it, it will open quickly. So that is the advantage of cache memory. So the next thing is supported motherboard. So to make sure your motherboard will be compatible, you will need to look what socket and chipset your processor is compatible with. The socket refers to the physical slot on the motherboard that holds the processor in place. As you can see here, this is the slot of your motherboard where you can uh, apply a CPU. So if your motherboard is not compatible with your CPU that you have purchased, then your computer will not work. So if you want to build your own PC, so please make sure that you have seen that which processor is supported by your motherboard. So guys, thanks for watching.